Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a bank account to DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the DoorDash app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner and the settings page will appear on your screen. Next, tap on the payment feature and you will be presented with a couple of options. You can either connect your bank account via card, connect PayPal, or use Cash App. For this tutorial, we'll be using the debit or credit card feature. Now, tap on the debit card option at the top and enter the card details of your preferred bank account. Make sure all the information is correct before saving it. So that's basically how you can add a bank account to DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.